Hey guys, so today we're going to make a large Valentine's greeting card. And this time we're going to make one where if the guy was gifting this to a girl, okay? So I'm going to, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you all of the items that I use to bring this um, Valentine's greeting card all together. All right, so without further ado, let's get started.
Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Alright guys, we have our image printing out on our 11 by 17 printable vinyl sticker paper. So we're going to let this print out and then I'm going to show you the finished result. We're going to then take it and we're going to place it on our 11 by 17 poster board, pre-cut poster board, and then we'll start putting, we'll get our template part cut out for our little tray of goodies, and then we'll start putting our goodies in and we'll be done. So I'll be right back. Okay, our image is just about done. And y'all, I love this glossy printable vinyl. It prints out so nice and shiny. I absolutely love it. So we're going to go ahead and get this onto our poster board, and we have this little area left out so that we can cut out the area where our goodies will go. All right, so give me one moment. All right guys, here we are. This is my pre-cut poster board that I get from Amazon. It comes in 25 pre-cut pieces, and it's just regular cardboard look on that side and then white on this side. So I like to put the image down on this side and it'll go down on there just like that. And I will tell y'all that I put my dang paper in, or printer paper in, the wrong way the first time, but you know, we don't throw away no paper. So all I did was turned it over on the right side and reprinted it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this peeled away from the backing here, and we're going to go ahead and start laying it down. And my nails are not trying to cooperate, but we're going to get it. All right, so I like to peel it back just a little bit and then start laying it down. All right, so y'all can see where I printed on the wrong side. Okay. All right, so I'm going to get this lined up to where I feel like it's perfect, and then I will start smoothing it out and laying it down. What I like about this is if you don't get it right when you first lay it down, you can pull it back up without, impacting anything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just start rolling and pushing down at the same time. All right, I'm just going to roll it and push it down. So this would be the white side of the sticker paper, printable vinyl, but like I said, I put my thing in there wrong the first time. So I just flipped it over on the right side and kept it moving. All right, So that is, let me get my camera up here. That is it on the poster board now. All right. So now we're going to take, I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm going to cut out this area. This is where our candy will be going. And we'll talk about our tray and everything. Let me get my Cricut cutting board so I won't cut my table. Hold on. All right. So I have my X-Acto knife. I'm going to start cutting out my area where my little candy tray will actually go. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. And this particular box has curved corners, so I'm going to try to get it as curved cut as best I can. All right, so we're just going to come on down, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm pushing through so that I'm cutting all the way through my board and my printable vinyl. Okay. And we're going to do this side. And around that little corner. There. All right. And I'm just going to turn it over and follow that cut to get it nice and as even as possible. And sometimes you'll find that, you know, your box may seem like it doesn't want to fit, and you may have to, you know, play with it a little bit, but you'll get it. It seems like it's a little bit hard at first, but it's really not. All right. Okay, so now we got that cut out. So you guys can see that's where your little candy thingy will go. So I'm going to show you now. Let's see if we get it in there. See how it fits perfectly. All right. So I'm going to show you here what I have in here. So in this particular box, this is for a guy to give a girl. All right. And I wanted to go with the theme of, you know, since we have her taking a bubble bath, her just kind of having a girl's day, okay, just, or a girl's night, just kind of relaxing, okay. So that's what the theme is behind this. All right, so we got some chocolates for her, and then we got some cutie pie flavored lip gloss, and then we got the Bridgerton soothing bath tea. This is chamomile scented tea that we're putting in there. And some sweets for the sweets. So we do have some little candies in here for her too. Some little chocolate hearts. And then we have this under eye mask. And I got these at Walmart, guys, for $1. And then we got the lip mask for $1. And I also have a card where if they want to write something in here, then they can actually write in here. And so that is at the very back of the card. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and place my envelope in there and get that in there. And then I have my eye mask that I put in, and my, not eye mask, but my lip mask, and then the eye mask. I'm going to put that in there, and then we're going to place our chamomile bath soap in there. And then I'm going to put the cutie pie. It's not going to be able to sit up like this. I wish it would, but you know, we're working with only working with but so much space, right? So we're going to put that face down like that. And then I'm gonna take and put my little candies in there to finish kind of making it look a little cute, right? So we're gonna put our candies in, just some little chocolates. I have 4 of those. And you can take this down if you choose, guys, so that it doesn't move. I'm not going that route. But I am going to put some tape on the back of this because I don't want it to move. All right. So give me a second here. And I'm just going to take and put a little piece of tape so that I can try to get my heart to stay in one spot. I think I had these. I think I had them like that. Y'all, I'll figure it out in a minute. Alright, so we're just going to pop that on. But we want to get it to where it's like stuck down on there and doesn't move. And then we're going to take our lid. Now these are these little boxes I got with the tops, the lids. These I got from Amazon. I'll link them in the description of the video. I think they come in a set of 25. But there we have it. All right, and then you're going to take, oh, y'all don't put it in wrong. Hold on, because my box is going to have to go a long way. I thought I had it right the first time. I'm put my candies up there. And we're going to almost be done here. Put the little candies in. Now see, if I wasn't recording myself, I would have got it perfect the first time. But that's what happens when you're recording yourself. All right. Come on, piece of candy. All right, I'm just going to put it like that. And then we're going to go ahead and... Oh, that's why I won't lay down. I'm like, now I know I had these in here the first time. All right, so we're going to put our little candy right there. And then we're going to place our Russell Stovers little candy on there. And now we should be able to get it closed up. Just take your time because you want it to look nice. All right. Hold on. Give me a second, y'all. All right, y'all. I had to turn it around. All right, so now I have everything in there. All right, all my chocolates, my chamomile tea for the bath, and then the lip gloss, the little card, the eye mask, the lip mask, all in here. All right, and I still stuck with the tape on the front to keep it in there, or to make it look like somewhat it was in place. I don't like the chocolates moving around, but you guys can play around with it as you so choose. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on here, and then I'm going to go and get my, it comes with this like twine. I'm going to go get it so that I can tie and put like a little bow on the front. And then what I like about this particular container, guys, is she can take out, or he can take out whatever they like and put the top back on without having to use any glue or anything like that. So let me get my twine so I can bring it all together and we'll be done. All right, so this is the little, I don't know what you call it, little rope that comes with it. So what I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to put it around it. And just get enough so I can like tie it in a bow. So This comes with this particular set of trays that you get off of Amazon. So I'm going to try to do this as nice as I possibly can. Don't quote me on that. Alright, so I'm going to do like a little knot here so that it does not come loose. Alright, and then we're just going to put a little bow on it, and then you can cut the ends or knot, whatever you choose to do. If you have some fancier you know, rope or thread or whatever you want to use, then by all means go for it. Alright, so let me try to get it as nice as possible. I don't like that my little candy is not as straight as I want it, but we're good. We're gonna leave it just like it is. Alright, so I'm gonna cut that. Then I like to flip mine over, and I'm gonna take and push this all the way through, guys, and I'm gonna put some tape on each little side just so that that holds in place. All right, so we're gonna grab some tape. I would highly recommend just use some clear tape. I've seen some people glue theirs. I don't want to go that far. I really don't want to have to use any glue because I don't want anything that's going to compromise the card in the end. Like when the person is trying to, you know, go in and out of it, I don't want, you know, the card to come apart. All right. And like I said, you can do the tape if you choose or not. Totally up to you. But I like to try to keep it intact without using glue. All right. And we're done. All right, so that's what it's going to look like once you're finished. All right. So we got everything on there, everything in place, and that's it. All right. So again, you're going to need the image of choice that you want to use for this. I'll link these in the description of the video tutorial of where I got them on Amazon. And I'll also link the printable vinyl that I got from Amazon, and all of my little goodies here I got from Walmart. And what else? That's pretty much it, guys. All right, so I don't, you know, I use Midjourney and I use ChatGPT. I like to use, you know, my AI stuff instead of having to pay for templates and stuff all the time. So, you know, y'all get creative, go out there and design your own stuff and pull it all together. But I thought this was really cute for a guy. We're always creating stuff for the girl to give to the guy, but this will be for the guy to give to the girl. Okay? All right, so chime in the comments, let me know what you think. But I absolutely love this. Absolutely love this. All right, and again, this is the 11 by 17. All right. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you guys have any questions, then please chime in the comments, and I will answer you to the best of my abilities. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.